Vanakkam, Namaste. Today we are going to discuss about trends and innovation in hospitality industry. Yes, technology is way behind us in the hospitality industry. Artificial intelligence, contactless check-in வருது, paper free, eco-friendly நம்ம வரோம். அந்தக்காக technology we are adapt to the industry. But for me, I believe human touch has to be there in the industry. Without human touch, we cannot succeed. நான் சொல்லுவேன். Meeting people is my hobby. Yes, but technology, one way we have to learn and we have to adapt to that also. Easy to get reports faster. 2 years, 3 years report within a fraction of a minute we can get a report also. So technology adaptation has to be there. So every hotel going forward implementing the technology in their operation. Okay, and artificial intelligence was way beyond. Those days la நம்ம உட்காந்து டைப் பண்ணி இது பண்ணுவோம். ஆனால் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸில் நீங்கள் செட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா ஆட்டோவாக அதுவே உங்களுக்கு ஜென்ரேட் பண்ணுது. ஸோ அடாப்ட் டு த டெக்னாலஜி அண்ட் ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ். lot of innovation can happen in the industry. People are want the changes. This Gen Z kids want excellent technology improvement is there. A lot of reels they are putting. Okay, marketing le pathina ipo digital marketing way ahead. So those days and all pamphlet newspaper ad la kuttundom. Ipo adala illanga. Just whatever they are doing it, they are publishing in the social media. So that one way of helping to people to know what exactly we'll get in that area. And people go and try and they will put a picture also. Okay, so technology is most important to the hospitality industry these days. Going forward, pathina lot of humane illama robotics பண்ற மாதிரிலாம் technologies been there in a lot of countries implemented. ஜப்பான்லாம் நான் பார்த்துருக்கேன் வீடியோ. they were implemented making a fried riceலேருந்து ஆம்லேட்லேருந்து ஈவன் தோசா மிஷின் ஆல்சோ இட் கேம் வித்தவுட் ஹியூமன். பட் என்ன இருந்தாலும் நம்ம ஹியூமன் டச் இருந்தால் தான் it will be a excellent one. We will see some other video more on this week coming up. Stay with us. Bye bye. Thank you. 3 minutes.